Welcome to MindCraft, where we break down big ideas into simple, powerful steps to transform your life. Today's topic, one that separates dreamers from doers. Setting smart goals. How to properly set a goal. If you've ever set a goal and watched it fade away, this video is for you. Because we're not just talking about motivation, we're giving you a proven method, real-life examples, and a step-by-step plan to actually make your goals happen. So, grab a pen, hit that like button, and let's dive in. You've probably been here before. You set a goal, maybe to get fit, save money, or improve your life. At first, you're excited, motivated, ready to take on the world. But a few weeks go by, and nothing's changed. Why? Because most of us never learn how to set goals the right way. Studies show that 92% of people never achieve their New Year's goals. 92%. That's huge. And it's not because people are lazy or unmotivated. It's because their goals are too vague, too unrealistic, lacking structure, missing deadlines. You can't hit a target you can't see. This is where SMART goals come in. It's a simple but powerful method used by athletes, CEOs, students, and successful people across the world. SMART stands for S for specific, M for measurable, A for achievable, R for relevant, T for time-bound. Let's break each part down, with real-life examples you'll relate to. S for specific. The more specific your goal, the better your brain can focus on it. Don't just say, I want to be rich. Ask, how much? From what source? By when? Real-life story. Meet Ramesh. He said, I want to start a business. But that was too vague. So he redefined it. I want to launch an online t-shirt store targeting youth fashion with 5 designs by July 1st. Boom. Specific, clear, and now he knew where to begin. M for measurable. If you can't measure progress, how will you know you're improving? I want to read more becomes, I will read 1 book per month. Real-life story. Anita wanted to improve her English speaking skills. So she created a measurable plan. 20 minutes of spoken practice daily. 1 online conversation per week. Finish 3 grammar modules by June. And guess what? Within 90 days, she aced her job interview. A for achievable. We all want big things, but if your goal is too far-fetched, your brain gives up before you even start. Instead of lose 20 pounds in 1 month, try, I'll lose 1.5 pounds per month through diet and walking. Real-life story. Jatin, a full-time IT worker, wanted to start YouTube. Initially, he thought, I'll post a video every day. Too much, too soon. He changed it to 1 quality video per week. Now, 6 months later, over 8,000 subscribers and growing. R for relevant. Your goal has to matter to you, not to impress others. Not because it's trending. Ask yourself, does this help me grow? Does it align with my personal or career dreams? Real-life story. Mina followed her friend into photography, but she didn't enjoy it. Then she realized her real passion was interior design. Once she made her goal relevant, become an interior designer within 12 months, she began studying, networking, and taking on projects. Relevance keeps you motivated through the tough days. T for time-bound. Deadlines turn dreams into reality. Without a time frame, procrastination creeps in. Instead of, I'll start my blog someday, say, I'll publish my first blog post by August 1st. Real-life story. Tarun wanted to write a novel. His goal? Write 1,000 words every day and complete the first draft in 60 days. He created a daily writing schedule and finished his first book within 2 months. Now, let's bust some common myths about goal setting. If I just stay motivated, I'll succeed. Truth. Motivation fades. Systems win. Big goals are better. Truth. Big is fine, but break it into small, manageable pieces. I failed once, so I'm not good at this. Truth. Failure is part of the process. Learn, adjust, and keep moving. Tiny SMART goals, repeated daily, become life-changing. It's like compound interest. Walk 30 minutes daily. You lose 10 pounds in a year. Write 300 words a day. You finish a novel in 4 months. Save $100 per day. You build $36,500 savings in a year. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, an office worker, or a stay-at-home parent, SMART goals work for everyone. Student example. Goal: do well on my finals. SMART goal: study 2 subjects each day and finish all mock exams by October 1st to score 90% or higher. Freelancer example. Goal: make more money. SMART goal: land 5 new Fiverr clients in 60 days by posting daily and sending 10 personalized offers a day. Ready to write your own SMART goal? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Choose one area: health, finance, career, relationships, learning. Step 2. Ask yourself, what do I want to achieve? Step 3. Make it SMART. Specific. What exactly do I want to accomplish? Measurable. How will I track it? Achievable. Is this realistic for me right now? Relevant. Why does it matter to me? Time-bound. What's my deadline? Set your goal? Good. Here are a few bonus tips to help you stay consistent and follow through on your goals. Track daily or weekly progress. Set reminders on your phone. Share your goal with a friend or mentor. Reward yourself after milestones. Reflect every 2 weeks. What's working, what's not? You've got the power to make this your best year yet. Not with hype, not with hustle culture, but with clear, meaningful, structured action. Your dreams aren't out of reach. They just need the right system. Write down one SMART goal today. Post it in the comments below to commit publicly. Inspire someone else to take action too. One day, you'll look back at today and say, that was the moment everything changed. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to wait for January 1st. You just need to be smart. Let's set smarter goals and live smarter lives. At MindCraft, we believe every great achievement starts with a smartly crafted goal. If this video gave you clarity, direction, or even just a spark, don't keep it to yourself. Hit the like button. Subscribe to MindCraft for weekly mindset tools and personal growth strategies. And share your SMART goal in the comments. Let's grow together, one goal at a time. Until next time. Set SMART. Achieve more. Live intentionally. Only on MindCraft.